Hello viewers, welcome to Innovate Teaching Channel. In this video, we are going to discuss a concept from Western schools of philosophy, realism. Let's see the meaning of realism initially. Realism. As we have a slogan in naturalism, back to nature, in realism we have a slogan, things rather than words. Idealism deals with mind and self. Naturalism emphasizes matter and physical world. And pragmatism deals with refuses to speculate and transcend beyond experience. See, in this case, we have to see what naturalism, what pragmatism, what idealism, and what realism deals with. Okay? And according to realism, the external world of objects is not imaginary. It's not imaginary. It really exists. And our experience is not independent, but it determines the reaction to external objects. And these experiences, what about all our experiences, are influenced by the external world which has a real existence. Finally, it is not imaginary, it's a real existence. Okay? And realism is a new outlook, and this new outlook is termed as realism in education. Let's see few definitions of realism by great ideologists. The realist enters his emphatic protest against a cleavage between the work of the school and the life of the world outside it. And according to Ross, the doctrine of realism asserts that there is a real world of things behind and corresponding to the objects of our perception. According to Butler, realism is the reinforcement of our common acceptance of this world as it appears to us. Wow, great. Now let's see three of the major types of realism, guys. The first type is humanistic realism. Erasmus, Rabelais, and English poet named as Milton are the most prominent representatives of this humanistic realism. And this type of realism is represented as the survival of the idea of Renaissance, but it did that in a different way. While the classical humanists placed a major role on form and style, this humanistic realists opposed it in favor of content and ideas. So here they were discussing about two cases, classical humanists and humanistic realists. So you have to focus on what type deals with what is their major emphasis. You can see the prominent representatives of humanistic realism on the right side of this slide. Erasmus, Rabelais, and Milton. The second type is social realism. The purpose of education according to social realists was to prepare the practical man of the world. According to Montaigne, here's the Montaigne on the left side of the slide. He said that if the mind be not better disposed by education, the judgment be not better settled. The curriculum of realism includes, besides travel, study of genealogy, riding, fencing, gymnastics, study of modern languages and customs and institutions of neighboring countries. About methods of teaching, Montaigne suggests to negate memory work and practice. And this practice plays an important role in learning. Living well rather than learning is the main concern of social realism. Yes, this is absolutely true. Knowledge which is acquired through senses is of greater value than that which comes through books. He believed that a sound body is the basis of a sound mind. Yeah, truly I like his words. Coming to the final and third type of realism, it's sense realism. The sense realists emphasized the training of senses. They held that these senses are the conveyors of knowledge and learning that takes place through the operation of senses. And the aim of the sense realists were 1. To apply inductive method in the field of education with a view to organize and simplify the instructional process. Not too lengthy, to simplify it. The second one is to replace the instruction in Latin by instruction in vernacular and to substitute new scientific and social studies in the language and literature. And according to sense realism, it is also realized that all the studies should be adapted to the needs and interests of the child, and that child should acquire the idea rather than the form. This attempt of theirs led to the formulation of educational psychology. And their emphasis was laid on rationality rather than authority. That's a great idea. Okay guys, if you like this video, please share and subscribe. I'm signing off. Take care. Bye.
Click the bell icon to get latest notifications. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos and stay tuned to our INNOVATE Teaching Channel.